Hi there! In our previous video, I have already shown you how to use Pg35's primary modes. Today, I will introduce you to how and when to use its secondary modes, Eco and Max. If you have some spare time left or it's not that hot outside, you want to use the energy-saving Eco mode. If it has to be quick, use the Max mode to release Pg35's full cooling power. First, connect your Pg35 to a power source. Then, shut it on by using the on-off button. Now, push the set button twice. The display starts flashing. By tapping either plus or minus, you can switch between Eco and Max. Lastly, wait for 2 to 3 seconds and the selected mode will be automatically applied. That's it, you're good to go. For more information, check out our other tutorials, follow us on WeChat or Instagram, or visit our Parago website.